Hello friends, we present the odometer blocker for Porsche Boxster S. It is quite easy to install. For this, we will need tools to remove the speedometer panel and the mileage blocker itself. Watch the video to see how I do it. We start by removing the cover above the steering wheel. Then the left and right plastic covers. With the help of removable tools, remove the outer cover of the speedometer as we get to the screws and remove the speedometer itself. Use this screwdriver to remove the speedometer screws. 4 pieces in total. Take out the speedometer and pull out the main cable. This is an odometer blocker. We connect it as follows. We connect the white plug of the blocker to the car system cable and the blue plug to the speedometer. Pull the other side of the long cable so that we can easily disconnect it without removing the speedometer again. That's all. The blocker is installed on the car. We will test it and see for ourselves what features and capabilities it has and how it works. Before we start the test drive, we need to activate the blocker. You can of course do it from the application. We connect the device via Bluetooth, give it a name, change modes, and etc. And also press and hold the right wiper lever down. The turn signal flashes briefly and the module is activated. Repeat the same process to switch from mode to mode. I will also tell you about the modes. The module has 4 modes. Mode 1, the kilometers are counted at 0%. The speedometer and the assistance systems don't work. Mode 2. The kilometers are counted at 50%. The speedometer shows 50% of the actual speed. Mode 3. The kilometers are counted at 25%. The speedometer shows 25% of the actual speed. And Mode 4, the device is deactivated. The speedometer and odometer continue working as usual. Look at the odometer. The car is moving and it does not count any kilometers. Isn't it cool? To purchase the device, visit superkilometerfilter.com and select the device for your vehicle.